In this quick video, I want to help you factory reset any GE refrigerator. And it doesn't matter if it's a top mount freezer or it's a French door, it doesn't matter if it's a monogram, a profile, whatever you have. It's fairly simple to do. So first thing you can do is just simply unplug it from the wall. And almost all GE refrigerators, you can do a factory reset like this. And just keep it unplugged for about 10 minutes. And what that's going to do, that's going to reset the sensors, the ice maker, the temperature controls and all that. Plug it in and then you should reset it that way. If you can't get access to the power for whatever reason in the back of the refrigerator, you can just locate your circuit breaker. If you have a basement, it would be under the basement. But anyways, it looks like this. Look at your diagram where it shows kitchen and shows where your refrigerator is in the kitchen. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn it off by just moving it in the opposite direction. And then go check your refrigerator, make sure it's powered off. And then, like I said, leave it for about 10 minutes. Come back in and then turn it back on. And that should do a reset. Now, you might have another refrigerator that has temperature settings right here, and they actually have a dual temperature setting, one for it'll say refrigerator and then it will say freezer. And what you're going to do is you're going to push both of those buttons at the same time, the temperature control in the fresh food compartment. It's going to be like two little buttons that you push, one for freezer, one for refrigerator, and you're going to hold them both down for 10 seconds and you don't let go while it's plugged in. Let go, and then that should reset it. Or you might have a digital one where it has a settings button. Click settings, and then there'll be a place where you can do reset or factory reset. And that, of course, will reset your GE refrigerator. All right, let me know in the comments section what model GE you have. Do you have a profile, monogram? What do you have? And make sure you subscribe.